This is my most requested recipe, which is for my tandoori chicken. Every time I post my tandoori chicken, everyone asks me for the recipe, so I thought I would make it really easy for you guys and show you how I do it. So here I've got some ground coriander. This should normally be ground a bit more, but I couldn't find my pestle and mortar, so I've just smashed them up a little bit. I've got garlic and ginger. I've got salt, turmeric. I'm using paprika and cayenne pepper. Some frozen coriander, but you can obviously use fresh, a little bit of garam masala and some cumin. We've got some natural yogurt, and in here we've got some lemon juice, and then finally we've got our chicken. And all we're going to do is literally put all of our spices straight into the bowl. So our spices go into the bowl with all of our garlic, our ginger and all of that. And with the help of my mum, we're going to add in some of the lemon juice and then in with the yogurt. And when we add in the yogurt, we're literally going to massage this all in together, and it's going to create a lovely, lovely marinade. So the lemon juice and the yogurt together create the marinade and tenderizes the chicken. So we're going to mix this all together. And this one is a natural version, so there are many recipes that say to add red food colouring, but I often find if you use a Kashmiri chili powder, it adds a beautiful red colour to the chicken. So you can see the paprika's added that lovely kind of pink tint to the chicken. So now that's all been marinated, and all we're going to do is give that 20 minutes, and then after that we're going to put that straight into the oven. So we're going to get that ready into the tray now. And we're just going to let them sit there and marinate in all that flavour before it goes straight into the oven. This is so easy, guys, honestly. And if you don't want to do it with legs, you can do it with, chicken breast or chicken thigh off the bone. It would work perfectly well. This is the exact same marinade I use for my fish. And I also do a veggie version where I use butternut squash and marinate them in the tandoori powder as well. So our chicken is ready, and we're just going to take that out of the oven. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Gorgeous tandoori chicken, super easy to make in the oven. Right, so there you have it, my tandoori chicken, which has taken around 40 minutes. It's got that gorgeous colour that you're looking for, a crackly skin, super crisp, and all the meat inside is perfectly cooked. So I really hope you love this recipe as much as I do. That looks amazing, guys. Let me know if you want the recipe for the fish tandoori, and I can show you how I do that as well. Anyway, thanks guys. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts.